Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to share with you a grocery haul for the winter. So welcome. If you are new here, my name is Lisa Hice with Pause, Pray, and Simplicity and Frugal Living Network Financial Coaching. So today I wanted to jump in and share with you a big grocery haul. I don't know about you guys, and I know you guys can relate. Groceries are expensive nowadays, and multiple trips to the grocery stores actually cause you to spend more money. So one great trip or tip that I have for you guys to save you money on groceries is do grocery hauls. So a few things that I encourage you to do is clean out your pantry, clean out your fridge, your refrigerator, make a grocery list, and then go grocery shopping. If you can, try to buy things in bulk, like your toilet paper, these were actually on sale. Tide was on sale for $4.99, so that was amazing. So I grabbed 2 of these for laundry soaps because, well, we all do more laundry in the wintertime. So one thing I like to do is stock up in regards to meat when I go to Winco. Winco usually is probably one of the cheapest stores that I have found in regards to meat. I am probably about a 60-70% plant-based, but I do eat meat also. So I love the corn meatless diced chicken pieces. These are great. This is a great alternative to just regular chicken. I got a big package of blueberries. These are great with my yogurts. I eat a lot of yogurts for snacks. Thanksgiving's coming up, and I've got a fun event, so I got some of the stovetop, all of that. This is a fun little evening or afternoon treat with some almond butter if you're looking for a great snack idea. So this is something, actually a trainer was telling me about that, so that was fun. Let's see. I got a ton of salmon. I eat a lot of fish. That's one meat that I will eat is a lot of salmon. So I've got wild caught Pacific salmon. This will be a great meal for, these 2 packages will last me probably mid through December, which is fantastic. Let's see. Lots and lots and lots of vegetables. I eat a lot of greens, a lot of salads, a lot of fruits with bananas, lots and lots of yogurts. That's one of my staples with a morning snack with maybe some cereal. I love it with rice checks, blueberries, or like a half of a banana. That's a great morning snack idea for you guys. Or even in the afternoon, evening, that's a nice little snack. Got some non-dairy cheddar. Let's see. Oh, I stocked up on pantry items that was definitely needed. Just got lots of like the mixed nuts. I got some gluten-free oats. I got a ton of the organic black beans. This is a great staple to have in regards to just soups. If you want to make maybe a Mexican dish, that is definitely one of my staples. It's inexpensive. So I got some grapes, lots and lots of vegetables. Let's see. I love this time of year to make kind of like a cranberry salad. So this is a fun staple salad for the fall and winter. So I got some walnuts, chopped walnuts, and some cranberries. Let's see. Well, it's wintertime, you guys. Fall wintertime. Hot cocoa is a must. I'm so excited to, as an evening dessert, maybe after dinner, I'm trying to cut back on my sugar. So instead of going to like cookies or ice cream, I'll do a non-sugar or a reduced sugar hot cocoa. And so this will be super fun. So I got this. I got a 0 sugar peppermint mocha, little creamer, and then a little peppermint dairy or whipped dairy topping. I try not to eat too much dairy because it doesn't really like me, but that'll be a fun little treat. And if I have friends over, we can have that. So let's see, what else did I get? Lots of avocados. I love these. These are the non-dairy beans and rice little burritos from Amy's. They're great if you're just kind of on the run and you want a great lunch meal for your work or school or whatever. These are great. Let's see what else. Lots and lots of vegetables. I love having ginger on hand in the fall winter, especially with cold season. So that is one of my big staples. I always have cilantro. I love Mexican food. That's one of my favorite meals, but I try to do it a little bit more of a healthy version. I got a little bit more of some non-dairy cheddar cheese. I did get some grass-fed beef, so I will pick, or I'll probably make a meal out of that. Lots of peppers, bananas. I've got an event that I got to take some guacamole, so that's going to that. So this is just kind of my grocery haul. This was 2 stores between Fred Meyer's and Winco. Spent about $220. This will last as for a single person, probably through part of December, easily mid-December. So I try to eat, obviously a breakfast, a good morning snack, which is yogurts. This is one of my favorites. It's a 0 sugar yogurt, like I said, with cereals, with fruit, and then, like a good protein with a salad or some kind of healthy lunch. Soups are great. That's a great way to save money on dinners, is making really, really good healthy soups out of like black beans. You can do with a meatless chicken, or you can do, if you eat meat, make some chicken. I got some sweet potatoes, so I'm going to make maybe like a sweet potato soup with veggies. So I also love eating a lot of tuna, like tuna melts. That's a really great way of saving money too, is having like sourdough bread. It's actually a gut-friendly bread, my nutritionist mentioned. So that's the one I always have on hand, is sourdough bread. And I'll have usually like 1 slice with like a little bit of tuna, put a little bit of cucumber on top, with a little bit of like mayo, pickles, things like that, and maybe with some soup or something, and maybe a piece of vegetables and fruit. So this is the grocery haul. So this will definitely last, like I said, a good month and a half. I will have to go and get maybe my fill-ins with vegetables, salads, maybe some fruits, things like that. And I will do that with Fred Meyer grocery pickup, because I notice if I do the grocery pickup and I order online, I spend way less money. If I go to the grocery store, it's all out the window. I seem to always spend so much more money if I go into the store. So that is one thing that is helpful. Highly encourage you guys, pay cash for your groceries. Don't go to the credit cards. I know this time of year, things are tight. Christmas is around the corner, but highly encourage, if you can, definitely use cash this time of year. It's just, with the rise in costs, everybody's like, oh, I'll just use my credit card. Well, it can kind of bite you on the back end. So if you are struggling financially, definitely check out the new financial binders. I'll put the link down below. Those are available. Some great resources and tools in regards to how to budget, track your spending, track when your bills are due, all of that. Also, there is a ton of resources out there, you guys, also in regards to food pantries. If you are in need of help, check out your local city food pantries. So, grocery. All right, so the freezer and fridge is really well stocked with lots of vegetables, lots of fruits, lots of eggs. I always eat eggs in the morning. I've got lots of yogurt, so I'm good. So excited to have some peppermint mochas from home. That always saves a ton of money. I went and got a peppermint mocha at Starbucks the other day. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was like almost $6. It was insane. So if you can, definitely make your coffees from home. That's a tip just to kind of save money. So this is kind of the freezer all stocked up and stuff for blueberries, for smoothies or whatever. Lots of fish, lots of plant-based meat, also dairy-free cheeses like I mentioned. So it's all stocked up to be able to cook for this next couple weeks. I cannot wait to make some good fall winter soups. It's gonna be delish. Now the pantry is all restocked. So I refilled my container with quinoa and brown rice, refilled my container with some nuts, got some of my gluten-free oats, so I'll probably make some different cereals with that. Rice checks, obviously, I always have that on hand. This is a really great snack for if you are gluten-free. I don't always eat gluten-free, but I like to. It's not a necessity, but when I can. And then lots of black beans, like I mentioned earlier. Just got it all stocked up. Lots of tuna. I always have sardines on hand also. That's a great protein, high in omega-3s. So that is just kind of the pantry. I always like also having lots of stock of extra big water containers. Well, because you never know if emergencies happen. I always have big water jugs on hand, so I refilled those. So pantry is restocked up, so that's fantastic. So yeah, if you are new here, would love to have you guys as a subscriber. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. If this was helpful, definitely put a comment down below. What is your budget for grocery shopping every month? How many is in your household? Mine is usually anywhere from 300-ish for 300 to 325 for a single person. But I definitely do my big grocery hauls, and that helps me save quite a bit. So anyways, guys, if this was helpful, hit that thumbs up, put a comment down below what your budget is for this next month or so for grocery shopping, and we will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.